this is mango, and this is the king of all fruits, and I'm not doing something with this. How it is possible? So let's do something with it.
Wash the mango properly. After washing it, peel the skins. Then chop the mango finely. Then it's time to boil the mango. Add sugar. I'm using 4 tablespoons of sugar for 250 ml water. Add a pinch of salt. Now add the mangoes. Boil it for 10 minutes. After boil, keep it rest for 30 minutes and then it's time to blend. Add half of the portion. Over the lid and blend. Now strain it. After strain, again blend. You can see the color, so nice. Now again it's time to blend. This is another time we should blend it. In this part we add just the sugar. If it is needed, add sugar, or you can skip it. Add ice cube. Now cover the lid. Blend again. Now you can see the color is perfect. And it's time to pour into the glasses. Okay, we are pouring now. Glass number 1. Pour, 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 pour. And glass number 2 is waiting also. Glass number 2. And finally glass number 3. And you can see the color is so nice. It is very refreshing in the summertime. Thank you for watching.
Okay guys, I hope you like my recipe, and if you really like my recipe, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button, and do not forget to like, comment and share. Okay then, I'm signing off for today. Till then, bye bye.